Mum's driving now.
You drive a lot.
Usually I drive, you know. Actually, usually Mum drives, but I've taken over since Mum and Dad are back because Dad doesn't trust Mum's driving.
Don't say that.
Yeah, so chunake, so that means he doesn't trust.
Say you always
Yeah.
so come on.
But you know what, I gotta admit, Mum's a badass, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, mashallah driver. But she's like a Ferrari driver, like a race car driver. You know?
Accident slow.
No, Mama.
Only 80 could come there.
Oh,
80,
but
90.
she goes, I only do 80, 90.
You
know, so Amna lives in a really nice place. I think it's outside of Halifax. There's like fields and all that stuff.
So we are here in Amna house. Jinako, तासो रिकॉर्ड को मला गया अभी आमना का घर बन रहा है ये सारा लैंड है इसका ब्यूटीफुल अभी सारे ये पड़ा हुआ है ये सारा इसका लैंड है आमना का ये साथ में ये ऐसा फार्म हाउस है तो अभी बन रहा है अभी पूरे तरीके से बना नहीं है बैठे हैं ये सारे ये स्लोप व्लोप अभी पड़े हुए हैं
He's like literally, he'll eat 4 times, 6 times, he'll eat all the other cats he's and he'll still come up to
yeah. Oh, I like these seats.
Do you know what they're going to do over there, Mama?
Yeah.
Eat the noor. Eat the noor with a seating area.
Is it? No, I like this because Khan say he gonna make me fuara. Da fuara chimunga watawayu kana fountain kana.
It's gonna, you know, it's gonna have a lily bowl.
Yeah.
But that takes about 6 weeks to get ready. It's like a big bowl and they put water in it and then you can grow lilies in it.
Okay.
I was like to Sul Ibrahim, he's like, I'll put fish in it. I was like, the cat.
Aga ganda ki basake. Hamna aga ganda ki basake.
There's gonna be like a fire pit.
Khatarash mato khay. Dona gata.
Yeah, so they're gonna line it. What?
Or gazad na zama chi biya dan na bar sis khadaga tanur bhai.
Yeah.
देखिए बरोटे बखे
Go play. You could put a full like laminate.
हाँ.
It's going to be underground. And then on top of it, it's going to be a fireball. And then there was silent seating one.
Wow, that's beautiful. That's the shady.
These are planters, so they're going to have
planter
herbs and tomatoes.
No, that's just don't land. They no agiki kawakana.
You know.
That easy day.
Asan de thaniya ch kitchen de
Ha ha ha.
This is going to be all the small stuff.
Small stuff. Ha ha ha.
You know, mint and all of these things.
So, Khan Lala de which is a Rashamos wapas na fountain jodom dala. Namavi kada fountain de.
This is darasi de.
Khod de ki ba lilies bhi aachi.
So de ki
Kamwal chimung watawayu kana. So this is basically Amna's house, mashallah. पर अभी बना नहीं है जब बन जाएगा फिर आप लोगों को दिखा दूंगी पर सर्दी बहुत है पर मुझे ऐसे पुरानी चीजें अच्छी लगती है मे बी इट्स वेरी ओल्ड दिस सीट इज इजंट इट ये इसने किसी गोरे से खरीदा है तो ये काफी ओल्ड दिस मस्ट बी वेरी ओल्ड दिस सीट इट इजंट इट
These, do you know what I got? They must be about 5-6 years old.
Oh, 5-6, I thought very antique.
Maybe longer than that. I bought them in about 2016.
Is it? Oh, you.
Oh, sick. And you did that?
No, it was a designer.
Are you sure you didn't do that? I'm sure you did that.
No, you did it also. But that's what the lily ball is.
And
like. I
who's
think
that?
you drew me a picture.
Is that you?
That's Zach. It's a man. That's you stood there.
Yeah.
Amna, did you do all of that? But this is what a lily ball is.
Oh, that lily ball.
I wanted those.
No, chalam barkadi da korche da tauki. Kana pakpala ro kave.
The builders come every day, and we're just doing it bit by bit. Yeah.
Chatam laka take over kade da.
No, because we started. We got a contractor at first.
Yeah. इतनी अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है उसके बाद ये क्या खाना है دغه نه دونه خدن خوشبو دي کنه وګي دي کړم the house is beautiful الله دې نصیب کا ډیر ښکلی دی ماشاءالله خو چې پوره شي بیا به مبارکې له راځو
لا خدا پوریانی پورا نه دي they're supposed to have glass banisters this chair part of the glass banisters ضرورت دی ماشومان چې پورته کته زی کنده یریږي
no here you like it
I love this house. It's so amazing. Mashallah.
Yo, this, you should have seen the house down there. They were selling it. Looks like an old mansion.
Yeah, I'd be like, hey, Amna, get it.
You'll be like, I'm the one that's cooking today. I'll be like, walk across and find out. Here. Kitchen la data prote.
oh my god so सूख पकड़ी थी कौन कुक कर रहा है who is cooking
Me.
is amazing smell anyway assalamu alaikum Amna's husband and he's cooking everything
Let me fix your hair.
My hair. Look, this is another time.
and he's professional chef isn't it
Formal.
wow
But you're still professional.
क्या खुशबू है
We're doing kabli palau,
अल्लाह पागल कर दिया है
chicken jalfrezi,
और बोलो
and we do some chana puri.
बस that's enough काबली पुलाव बस
Golgappe now so the kids can sit and play me.
So messy.
इट्स ओके
बहुत शर्म है.
जब मेरी बेटी काम करती है मेरे किचन में YouTube पे देखना उसका
No, you
किचन
haven't seen his. Everything is out, open.
you know professional work like that
No professional though.
अच्छा कहाँ से शुरू करूँ oh that's nice
That's look at it from the other side.
oh this is the thing in it
Fireplace.
Oh,
yeah,
and
fireplace.
a chersi kadai.
चरसी कढ़ाई wow guys have a look
This is the lamb.
oh ये लाम बन रहा
These
है
ninjas are really.
और ये
Jalfrezi.
jalfrezi I like your dish Ramna बस
Kitchen there.
लेकिन नाफिया मलीहा वाला हाल है जो मलीहा मेरी किचन का करती है वही हाल है
Yeah.
तो बेचारा cook for a big family now innit a big
He does, mashallah. He cooks for like.
माशाल्लाह 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 I think this is cuties बिल्कुल salt pepper की तरह so basically you know completely
No,
done
we're
the
not
house
doing
that's
that
why
completely.
everything is
Yeah.
so inshallah
The
we will
kitchen's
come
not
for
fitting in.
Mubaraki when the whole house is done
Yeah, definitely.
inshallah this is guys fireplace
As a mungo dora rashta
Yeah.
kare me.
da betul kur garam kai
Yeah, it does.
oh that's beautiful
Very delicious.
So what I would
and
like to
golgappa is ready so who gonna eat their first golgappa come on come on guys golgappa khrashaba ma to khaya bata do
I'll show you how to make it.
yeah go on
Go on, Allah.
What were you showing?
I'm showing you how to make it.
so Dr. Ramne is chef now
Making a low part.
Oh, I love heart. That looks like a transformer.
And then take your chickpea and potato.
Chickpea.
Yeah.
Potato. Okay.
Let's make a little thing. Like when surgeons make it, they realize they have to go back. They're not going to get in there.
but who is after this golgappa is that guy
Have this one.
Okay. Am I on that one? Yeah. That's got a massive hole though.
wow
And then you could taste whichever food.
yeah
And what you're going to do, you're going to eat it all. That's something about the golgappa.
okay now who gonna eat it wow waji okay
That's how you do it.
to khrasha mala rakaza ha
Yeah.
now amna shabo kam chi sumayya mala raki
And then you basically just put in whatever you want.
yeah so now Sumayya is making my one
Yeah.
गरम गरम गोलगप्पे आ रहे हैं ऐसे गरम गरम आ रहे हैं और फिर हम इन सब चीज़ों के साथ लेके खा रहे हैं ये देखिए सारे गोलगप्पे खत्म हो गए नीली बस ये आखिरी बॉल रहता है बाहर में पड़े सोच मेरी चाची आ गई है। इतनी प्यारी चाची किसकी होगी? बोलो बोलो।
मामी
मैं इसकी मामी हूँ। मैं इसकी मामी हूँ। मामी 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 चपशा बदरंगी चूड़े चूड़े।
tell me spell it out Jack.
But that was A.
No, I see an I. Forget about that. What does that say?
बस करना वाले शर्मोल के। So mommy come late because she just closed her business and she come here.
So I had to.
And you know आप लोग मुझे कहते हो, आपको क्या लगता है इसकी सबसे बड़ी बेटी जो है माशाल्लाह, how old is she? 24 माशाल्लाह। ये लगती है 24 ईयर की ओल्ड की मम्मा। She look 24. Yes. And वजह खुश रहते हैं और लोगों के लिए खुशी मांगते हैं।
You have to look after yourself. So I do skincare, I look after myself, I take vitamins, things like that. Not the tablets, I hate them. But if you I'm fine. So I'll have things like that, just little things that can help me.
Yeah. Alhamdulillah. Mommy and Chachi are best friends. Alhamdulillah. Oh my God. He make chersi tikka. This is the real chersi tikka. Guys. Wow. Wow.
Right?
So,
You just like do this bit, and then her husband has literally cooked all this. He's a chef, by the way. Like, look at this. Oh my God. And what did you do?
she run the whole business. Yeah, you run the whole business and you just
I
arrived.
don't think I run the whole business, but yeah, I'm a part.
Darugu waya kanano.
I run everything. Today the clinic, tomorrow the world.
Yeah. To say Allah Hafiz. Mouchatawa. I love you.
Look at this.
I love you.
Mashallah.
Bye Saida. Bye Ibrahim. Bye.